Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm gonna be doing a reaction video. Yes, I know I haven't been doing a reaction video for a while because I've been really unwell. My condition has been getting really worse and I can't get out of bed, so that's why I've not been doing any reaction video because I'm in pain all the time. But well, I'm here and I'm gonna be doing a reaction video to Wodemaya receiving his play button for 100k subscriber. Yep, isn't that so exciting? So let's just get right into it.
So I got two surprises for you. Someone is here and there's something that I also want to show you guys.
Yes, so he's in Singapore with Miss Trudy. Yeah, I'm really glad to see them together again after all that was happening and like everyone being so confused. It's really nice to see them together and enjoying themselves. The lovebirds are together and you can see love always forgives, and no matter what, we all make a mistake. And yeah, I'm really happy to see them together. Yeah,
I think we are 190,000 subscribers now.
Almost double.
Almost double. You know what happened? It took me 4 years to get 100,000 subscribers.
So it took him like 4 years to get 100,000 subscribers, but it's taking him 4 months to get like a 90,000 subscribers because he's like now over 190 subscribers. So he's got his play button for the 100k subscriber. Isn't that so nice? That is something that we all hope to achieve, but we all need like patience. I know it's hard when you are starting out, you know, it can be really hard getting subscribers, but they all started from the same journey, you know, being so hard, like especially your first 1,000, like 1k is so hard, but like he made it and I'm just so happy for him. I'm really happy. Isn't that a great achievement? You know, like I'll be so happy, like the happiest person on earth on the day that I'll be opening my 100k play button. It's a journey that most people, like most YouTubers, doesn't get to experience it, but hey, it's nice to enjoy it with your brother. When your brothers are celebrating, celebrate with them, and I'm so happy to be celebrating with him. Yeah, he's bringing Africa to the world and I'm happy for what he is doing and really happy and glad for him being noticed for everything, the good work that he's doing and bringing Africa to the world. And this is a great achievement, guys. Let's all celebrate and support him, like, because like he's doing an incredible job and he deserves those subscribers that he's got, and he deserves this play button more than anyone, you know. Like, I'm happy for him.
You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. You are one of them.
Yeah,
so I want to say,
and he's just thanking us for making this dream come true. Like, yeah, with that subscribers, what can we do? I haven't got up to anywhere near that. I'm thankful for the 1k, like the 2k subscribers that I have, and with God all things are possible. We just need to be patient and consistency. That pays off. So I want to say, like, if you are starting out just like me and you feel like it's taking so long to get subscribers and you're not getting views, sometimes it can be really frustrated. Like, you know that you are creating a great content and you are putting so much effort into sharing it, but then you're not getting the view. All I can say is just be patient. you know, your time will come, and let's celebrate with those who has made it through, because the Bible says that we should celebrate with those who are celebrating and mourn with those who are mourning. But it's better to be celebrating, and I'm happy to be celebrating with him.
No.
Yeah, look at this play button. It's so beautiful, isn't it, guys?
For real. That is why I keep on telling people that patience is a virtue. You just have to do your thing. Keep working hard. And stop rushing.
That is true. Sometimes it can be frustrating, and then you'll be going like, please subscribe, please subscribe. But patience does pays off.
It's all about hard work. It's all about creating the content. And I
look
just
at
want to
that.
say thank you so
look
much.
at that,
Like,
guys. Look at that button.
This to each and every
It's just so nice. Like,
we need to toast with them.
they don't drink alcohol. They just like me. No alcohol for me. But yeah, it doesn't matter what you toast to. The most important thing is celebrating it and being happy, and as always enjoying everything that you do. That is the most important thing. And I might say that I'm just so happy, and I'm so glad to see them together, you know, sharing this moment together and celebrating it together, you know. I'm happy for them.
So if you're out there, can you help me?
All right, this is my own glass. Cheers. Cheers.
Pick your own glass and
let's all toast. Yeah, I drink water. Yeah, of course.
I feel so good. Like touching this.
So where you gonna hang
Oh, he's gonna put it in Ghana. I'm also from Ghana. But man, let me tell you, the weather there is so hot. The sun is bloody hot. When I go there, I feel like running away. But I love Ghana. I love spending time in Ghana. You know, it's my mother country, my motherland.
And wait for the 1 million. And I know we can do it. All we need to do is to come together, share the video.
Yeah, that's so lovely. So Miss Trudy came all the way from Kenya to Singapore to celebrate this moment with him, and that is really good. You know, support people that are achieving, you know. Oh yeah, I'm so happy for them. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy my short reaction. And as always, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Support your girl. Yep, yeah, I'm trying my best. Yeah, support me. Let me achieve something. Like, without you, without my subscribers, I can't do anything. Without my subscribers, there is no priceless beauty. So I appreciate everyone that supports me and watch my video and comment all the time. Whether it's boring or interesting, you are always there for me. And I'm saying, like, I appreciate you. I appreciate your support and everything that you are doing to support me. So thank you all, and see you again. Peace out.